Now we try to understand about pyramid. Every day we are trying to understand the pyramid itself is in a so unique structure which is going to preserve the cosmic energy. That's why it's a reservoir of cosmic energy, storehouse of a cosmic energy. We can say that reservoir of cosmic energy, storehouse of cosmic energy. If you keep anything inside the pyramid, it is going to be preserved, is going to be safe, is going to be intact. Its characteristics is not going to change at all. In fact, what happened, friends? One incident happened. So there was a cat. A cat entered into the Giza pyramid. Okay, Giza pyramid. So it is entered. Then what happened? They noticed this. So it is died. Of course, I mean it is died. But ultimately, what happened? After it is dead, what happened? It should become a totally. It become a soil. It is merged into the soil, isn't it? But it is just it's pressed and then like a skeleton. It is staying like a skeleton. It is staying till long time, long number of years. Also, it stayed like that only. So that's what they noticed. It means whatever you keep inside the pyramid, the kind of a item or the thing or whatever it may be, you go and just keep it inside the pyramid. It will be intact like that only. It will be fresh like that only. Maybe inside that pranashakti will be there, but little decay will happen in the physically. But that pranashakti will be still there. It's going to protect that pranashakti within any item, whatever you keep inside the pyramid. That is the beauty of pyramid. So that is why, so all the time we have to use the pyramid for securing and preserving any of the things what you want in your house also. In your house, what you supposed to do? Take vegetables and keep it under the pyramid. Purchase one 2 by 2 pyramid, for example, 2 feet by 2 feet pyramid. Use that pyramid for preserving instead of storing your all the vegetables inside the refrigerator. What refrigerator does? Refrigerator anyway it is harmful for the environment. It is going to generate chlorofluorocarbons, which is very very harmful for the health, your own health and as well environment. It is going to damage the ozone layer. Okay, such is the very a lot of unnecessary things. It's going to be it's going to damage the environment also. So that's why instead of encouraging using the refrigerator, use this pyramid 2 by 2 pyramid. Preserve like a refrigerator. You preserve all your vegetables under that. It's going to preserve. Keep it fresh for weeks together. So then what will happen? So you can use the same all these vegetables you can use. One thing is they preserve. Second thing is energized. So you get energetic food. Okay, you'll be able to consume energetic food. So that's how we need to use this pyramid, friends. So it's very very helpful. So now let's see other two benefits now as a part of benefits of pyramids today. Communication with higher beings. Friends, what happened is once upon a time, so there's a book written. So I might have told you again. I repeat it, but all. So the Search in Secret India by Paul Brunton. Paul Brunton, wonderful book. Please read this. Okay. So what is this book all about, friends? So he's actually a person. He came from European countries. He traveled across India, and of course he came to India, Himalayas, everywhere, and he met a lot of gurus. Even he spent a lot of time with the Ramana Maharshi also in Arunachalam, that is Tiruvannamalai, and especially in Egypt. He went to visit the Egypt with the permission he has taken to go into the pyramid. You want to like research basically what is pyramid, what is that power of the pyramid. When he went into the pyramid, so he requested a permission to stay overnight in the pyramid. He went inside. He went to the so-called king chamber, which is at the 1/3 height of the pyramid. When he went inside the pyramid and then he started doing meditation, in a few minutes, what happened is he started getting the outer body experiences. That means his so-called astral body got released so wonderfully, very fast. Okay, such is the power of this pyramid. So he's sitting in the so-called the king chamber and he's doing it. Then he is so-called the astral body got released. He got a lot of outer body experiences and is able to communicate with a lot of masters. So many wonderful spiritual experiences happened. Then he has written all these things within his so-called that the Search in Secret India by Paul Brunton. Please read that. So such is the that is how he has communicated with the higher beings. he got messages, he communicated with the higher masters who are, who are very much in the higher frequency, the higher frequency planes of existence, basically. So you can communicate, everyone can communicate. If you start doing meditation under pyramid, if you start using the pyramid power for your meditation also, your meditation will be 3 times faster, 3 times powerful. Then you will be able to communicate with the higher masters without any doubt, my dear friends. So please make a note of that. Next, so it is going to heal ulcers and broken bones. Friends, because the cosmic energy comes whenever prana shakti is more in the energy body, because of your meditation under pyramid, it is going to give 3 times more power, 3 times more cosmic energy into your energy body. Whenever your energy body gets sufficient energy, what happens? Any ulcer will go away. Any broken bone also will be fixed, my dear friends. So that's how it happens. One more. So I remember myself now. So one incident, one of the patient. So let me tell you the part of this is a act of forgiveness. I'm telling you again. I reminded myself one example. One of the patient we observed. So he got lot of ulcers within the ulcers within his mouth. Lot of ulcers. So he's not able to eat. He's not able to talk. He's not able. He was suffering like anything. So then what happens is, he always, keep on suffering because of, he never forgive other people, or he don't ask for forgiveness. He was suffering with himself. Then one simple technique, we have given like this. You go and write all the names who are all given trouble to you, who are all, hurted you, and who are all the people you hurted them. Just go on forgive everybody. Then after a few days, then all his ulcers gone away automatically. No medicine at all. Imagine what kind of results will come with the mind change in mind environment. That's why I told you yesterday also. Change your mind, change your thought, change your life. So this is a simple caption. Change your mind or change your thoughts, change your life. As simple as that, my dear friends. So the pyramid energy, cosmic energy is going to heal ulcers and broken bones also. Okay, it's going to fix very much because the energy is there, the sufficient energy is there with you. It's going to take care, right? So let's read some of the home remedies, my dear friends. So home remedies for the so-called mental health, like these are the great statements. Every day we try to read and remember and try to send to other people also. Try to send to other people. The father of all deceptions is self-deception. It means, friends, it's like, you are deceiving yourself, you are cheating yourself. What is that exactly? Self-deception. You are cheating yourself, not cheating others. That is the father of all deceptions. Okay, that is why never ever to be deceptive to yourself. Never, always be truthful to yourself. Be truthful to yourself, not deceptive to yourself. So that's going to be the father of out of all the deceptions is a father. Okay. The most important factor that underpins everyone's life is trust. We need to have trust always. Trust on ourselves, trust on so-called existence, and surrender to the existence, surrender to existence, trust ourselves, trust existence. That's all. These two things are very essential. Not anything else, my dear friends. If you trust existence, what happened? You never have any fear. You are free bird. Okay. You left everything to the universe. The universe will take care of you. There's a father, supreme father. Why do you worry? Why you are worrying? What you have brought here, what you are going to take back? Why do you worry between the death and birth? The so-called what you are doing is it's a all world is a stage. We are mere actors. We struck and fume, and we do our part and depart. This is what Shakespeare says. It's such a simple thing, my dear friends. Just a world is a big stage. We are all in a drama. You are having some role. I am having some role. My role I am playing. Your role you are playing. The role you play, the God existence has given some time for you. Just play that role and then do your part and depart. And I also do my part. I depart. Why do you worry? Why do you worry for all these things, whatever happened, day to day, whatever happened? These are all small matters. In front of death, these are all the very, very small matters. All your name, all your fame, all your earnings, everything will be smashed. only with one thing called death. Death is going to take away all the things, whatever you earn in this life. Whatever you earn, name, fame, properties, you are so rich, this, that, in the society, whatever it is going to be smashed with one instant called death. Right? So that is why never ever worry for anything happens in the life. Just be acceptable. Just be in the acceptable state. Even worst war happen also. Be in the acceptable. Be having a patience. When you have acceptance, what happens, friends? Anything happens. If you accept it, what happens? You will be peaceful. If you are peaceful, you are going to be creative. If you are creative, you get a lot of solutions. Apply the solution, get the answer. Apply the solution, get the result. Then you will become, you can rectify all the problems. That's all the life it is. Okay. Above all the scientists in the world, the best scientist is farmer. Above all the scientists, whatever the scientist may be, best scientist is farmer because he knows how to produce the food. He knows how to take care of the food, how to take care of the grains, all these crops, because that is the main input for our physical body, isn't it? So that's why. So the best scientist is himself. The farmer itself is the best scientist. Okay. The most difficult question is why man was born. This question will be haunting everybody. To know the answer for this question, we need to practice. We need to practice meditation. Then you will understand. The man was born here just to stay happy and healthy on this earth planet. In order to experience the journey on the earth planet, that is the birth, that is the purpose of every birth. There is no other purpose at all. If you think any purpose, let me tell you, every birth will have different roles, my dear friends. This birth, I am doing this, I am teaching you. Next birth, I may be doing differently. But over comes to the self-realization thing. If I am teaching here, next birth also I'll be teaching. I'll be teaching much more people, maybe so many people throughout the world. I am doing much larger role. But all other people who are into the profession, doing this, doing that, what happened? So they'll be in one of the life, you are a professor. Next life, you may be a student. Maybe you are a painter or a laborer or a shoemaker. Doesn't matter. Or it may be. Whatever the role you are playing, whatever the role you may be playing, but get one thing is, first of all, do meditation, get realized your soul first. Apart from that, whatever the profession you are doing, it doesn't matter. It's just a namesake, it's a temporary. Anybody is a professor, doctor, shoemaker, painter, laborer. Everybody has to become master of meditation, master of their own mind, master of their own life. That is must first. That is the preliminary. That is a mandatory thing. After that, whatever the role you are playing on the physical planet, it keeps changing from life to life. You don't worry about it. Forget about it. Okay, friends. So this is what you need. This you can understand with the spiritual wisdom. You can definitely understand, my dear friends. Okay, right. So friends, we covered all the things. So thank you very much. Thank you very much from the Matar Foundation. So sincere thanks to all the masters who participated here. Patiently listen till this time. And Matar TV, you know very well. So it's going to have all the programs, whatever we do here. Please subscribe, share, subscribe, like, and send it to other people. Okay. Thank you very much.